Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business advertisement creative using RGB in Photoshop. Advertisements demand emotional control and clarity. RGB adjustments refine mood and focus. Colors attract without becoming harsh. Business messaging stays readable. Product visuals gain depth. RGB ensures color consistency across digital ads. Contrast leads the viewer's eye naturally. The advertisement now feels persuasive and professional. This balance increases conversion potential. The final design